Hello and welcome to my kitchen. My name is Cheri and today is Thirsty Thursday. So we are making another drink today, perfect for Halloween. We're going to be making a poison frog. But before I get started, if this is your first time here, you love food, fun, and drinks, hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell, and be sure to check the description below. You'll find details on how subscribing helps to feed the hungry. Okay, so this is a super easy drink. The only thing we need to do is make some apple flavored simple syrup. So this is an apple flavored drink. And actually, it calls for apple pucker and apple vodka, and I don't have the pucker, so I'm just using two types of apple vodka. Anyway, to get started, I've got 2 apples here. I don't know if these are Granny Smith or what they are. I don't remember what I picked up at the store. So we are just going to chop these roughly. It doesn't have to be pretty or perfect. And we're actually going to leave the cores. We're going to toss those in the water also. So basically, I have got here 2 cups of water that I've got boiling. I'm going to toss the core in, and I'm also going to toss in my apple. I'm also going to add in 3/4 of a cup of sugar. I had to think about how much it was. 3/4 of a cup, and then 1 more apple here real quick. My apples smell good. All right, so the rest of the apples in, and then I've got this on boil. So let's give this a quick stir really quick, just to make sure we've got our sugar starting to dissolve. All right, so that is it. So we're gonna let this boil for 6 minutes, and then we're gonna strain it. All right, so it's been a little more than 6 minutes, and what I wanna do now is take out these cores here. I'm just gonna set them in a bowl. And then the rest of the apples, we are gonna mash. So I'm just using a potato masher to do this. And I don't think these are quite as soft as they really should be, so I would say I would boil this closer to 10 minutes next time instead of 6. I mean, we're still gonna get some of that apple flavor in there, but I would like to see these be a little bit softer. All right, so once we've got it mashed up, and again, we're just trying to extract the flavor of the apples, we are going to strain this. Whoa, making a mess. And then that is our apple simple syrup. So I'm gonna set this aside. Okay, so this is gonna go in our drink, but first we need to prepare our glass. So I have a little bit of corn syrup here that I'm gonna add in some red food coloring. So let's see, I thought I'd have to get a knife. I wasn't gonna be able to get in there with my spoon. I'm not quite sure how much we need. Probably not a whole lot because this is the gel food coloring. I'm just gonna use my knife to mix this together. We might need it to be a little bit darker. I'm not sure. I'm going to use the end of my spoon to do this. There we go. And I think that looks pretty bloody. You can always add more and make it darker if you want. I am just about out of red, so I better save what little bit I have in there for something else. All right, I'll put this aside, and I need to grab a plate here. So let's transfer this over to a plate. Let's get a spatula here. Okay. Now we're just going to dip the rim of our glass in here. I think I need more. There we go. Let's see if it runs down. It doesn't quite look like blood. It looks a little thick. Oh well, I think it'll continue to run. There we go. That looks a little bit better. Okay, now for our drink. So I have got, I'm gonna put some ice in here. I don't think I'll put any ice in there. Oh, it's really dripping now. Now it looks bloody, look. That looks perfect. Okay, so we need about half of this, and I've got just about 2 cups in here, so we need like 1 cup. And that should just about do it. Okay, and then we need 2 ounces of apple pucker and 2 ounces of apple vodka. So I don't have the pucker, but I have 2 different types of apple vodka. So we're just gonna pretend, but I imagine it all tastes pretty much the same. It's apple flavored. Okay, and then this goes on. Oh yeah, we definitely needed the ice in there. I forgot how warm the simple syrup was. And I probably should have put some ice in here, but I was thinking I might photograph this one, and I really didn't want the ice in it. And I think for a photograph, I might put a little more, like put some green food coloring in here. So I'm going to get this all over my lips. Ugh. Ugh. It needs to be colder. I definitely need to put ice in here. And I don't like the corn syrup. Ooh. Mm-mm. I think my simple syrup needed to cool down and sit for a little bit. I mean, otherwise, it's just an apple drink, so I don't know, it's fun for Halloween though, right? Oh my goodness, I've made a mess of this glass. So, anyway, you guys let me know what you think. I think if you really like apple stuff, you'll like this one, but it really does need to be chilled though. Anyway, let me know what you think in the comments below. I thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!